So today we are going to start our revision from Bicycle in Good Repair. I think we have done the bear story. Okay, let us start the revision from the bear story. As the questions will be in the MCQ format, let us discuss questions in the MCQ format only. Now, do you remember the bear story? The bear story deals with a lady and her pet bear and the kind of relationship that they have. Okay. The first question for you is, the lady visited her sister. The lady visited her sister. Yes, you can, Shaptarshi. You can do that, no problem. Just put it in a proper way. The lady visited her sister every fourth Sunday, on a holiday, every Sunday, or in times of needs. What is the correct answer? Yes, every Sunday. Every Sunday. The next question is, if the bear behaved himself, the lady promised him the gift of a kitten, freedom from captivity, or an apple. The correct answer is yes, apple. Very good. The next question is, the lady hit the bear so hard that, look at the options. Option A, the parasol broke. Option B, she herself got injured. Option C, the nose of the bear was injured. And option D, both A and B. I think nose of the bear was also injured, right? This answer is not proper. Both the things will be correct. The parasol, the options are not proper. In exam, you will not have this problem. So, the answer is the parasol was broken as well as the nose of the bear was also injured. Okay, these two answers are correct. Both the answers. The next question is, where did the lady live? Where did the lady live? Where did the lady live? The lady lived in a old manor house. Correct. The lady lived in a old manor house. Correct. Okay. Now let me ask you a few questions from Tiger in the House. Okay. The first question is, a change came over him when Timothy was, then four options are there. Option A, a month old. Option B, about 6 months old. Option C, chased out of the jungle. And option D, taken to the zoo. What should be the correct answer? Yes, very good. Option B, about 6 months old. Very good. Next question is, Timothy was most comfortable in the drawing room. Option A, drawing room. Option B, on the long sofa. Option C, in the carpet. And option D, none of the above. So, Timothy was most comfortable where? Yes, very good. Option B, on the long sofa. Yes, he was very comfortable on the long sofa. Okay, the next question is, what happened to Timothy at the zoo? What happened to Timothy at the zoo? Option A, the leopard killed him. Option B, he died of pneumonia. Option C, the superintendent shifted him, and option D, none of the above. So it will be option B, he died of pneumonia. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we have, I think we have already discussed about Mr. Willy Wonka, that is the invention of Vita Wong. Okay. So can you tell me what is the oldest living thing in the world according to Mr. Willy Wonka? What is the oldest living thing in the world? From Alien Hand, 2 chapters are there, Tiger in the House and A Bear Story. I think we have not missed out any chapters discussion. Bicycle in Good Repair we have done. Vita Wong, yes, trees. And what is the name of the tree? Bristlecone pine, correct. So what did Mr. Wonka take from bristlecone pine? What did he take from bristlecone pine? A pint of sap, very good. Now what does Mr. Wonka take from Peru? What does Mr. Wonka take from Peru? And another question is, according to Mr. Wonka, the most old tortoise belongs to whom? Alien Hand is itself a chapter, I know, but it is not there in the syllabus, okay. The print has come in a way that it seems as if it's a chapter, but it's the name of the book which I had typed, okay. The King of Tonga, okay. What from Peru? What did he take from Peru? What did Mr. Wonka take from Peru? The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old Cataloo, okay. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old Cataloo. Please look at the book and read the facts, all the facts which are given properly before answering, okay. Next question is, where did Mr. Wonka get the bristlecone pine? From where did Mr. Wonka get the bristlecone pine? From, name the specific location. Name the specific location. Wheeler Park in Nevada, USA. Very good, Aditya. Aniruddha also, very good. Okay. Now, tell me, why did the narrator of the story, A Bicycle in Good Repair, go to the tool shed? Why did he go to the tool shed? To bring a hammer, yes, to bring a hammer for his companion. Okay, when he came out of the tool shed, what did he find? When he came out of the tool shed, what did he find? Yes, very good. To bring a hammer. But what is the next answer? What is the next answer? Yes, his friend was playing with the front wheel and he had opened the front wheel already from the bicycle and he was twiddling it. Okay, playing with it. Okay, now let me ask you a few questions from grammar. What kind of questions will come? PT2 syllabus will come as well as the term 2 syllabus in grammar, except one chapter, that is direct and indirect speech. And since it is an MCQ question, no questions will come from the writing portion. Okay, so the first question is like this, kind of fill in the blanks will be there and the options will also be there. You will have to fill up using the correct option. Okay. By the next month, we dash the project. The four options are has completed, have completed, completing and completed. The right answer is, Shomdatta has already written have completed. Ognish, Aditya, yes, have completed. It will be have completed. By next month, we shall have completed the project. Okay. Suppose I dash this book since morning. I dash this book since morning. Number 1, had been reading. Number 2, has been reading. Number 3, have had read. And number D, no, I think it is a wrong option which has been given. The right option is have been reading. Okay, the option is not given, but the right answer will be have been reading. They have mistakenly printed it. Yes, so the answer will be I have been reading this book since morning. Okay. Now, next question. Which tense is used to express general truths and facts? The options are present continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense and present indefinite tense. Yes, option D, present indefinite tense is used to talk about general truths and facts. Okay. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? No. Direct and indirect tense has been omitted. Okay, this chapter will not come in the exam. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? Future perfect tense. Okay, future perfect tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. Okay. The wise leader and politician dash assassinated. The options are option B, has, option C, have been. The wise leader and politician dash assassinated. Option A, are, option 2, has been, option C, have been, option D, have had been. Shomdatta, tomorrow remind me for 5 or 10 minutes. I will just explain it to you before the end of the class. Okay. Have been. Why have been? Option. It will be option B. Has been. Because wise leader and politician is one person. Okay. It's not two persons. How will you understand? The wise leader and politician is given. If it was given the wise leader and the politician, that means we are talking about two different people. But when the article is used in the first and not in the second, it means that the wise leader and politician is one person. Okay, so it will be has been assassinated. The next question is, they dash into their cars and drove away. They dash into their cars and drove away. Option A, has got. Option B, have got. Option C, gets. And option D, got. Yes, it will be got. The next question is, choose the sentence with the future perfect tense. Choose the sentence. So option, it will be, they got into their cars and drove away. They got into their cars and drove away. Very good. So choose the sentence with the future perfect tense. Number A, they shall have arrived by then. Option B, they shall be arriving by then. Option C, they shall arrive by then. And option D, they shall have been arriving by then. So the answer will be option A, correct. They shall have arrived by then. Future perfect tense. Okay. Preposition and conjunctions are also there in your syllabus. Arif. Move away from the room where there is commotion. Whenever you are doing an online class, respect the fact that there is a teacher at the other end of you who is sitting here with complete dedication to teach you something. So you should also give the complete dedication in this few time. Okay, so do not turn the mic on. If it gets accidentally turned on, turn it off immediately. And if you believe that there is some lot of noise going out in the room in which you are, unless you have no other option, try to go to a room which is quiet. Okay, stay in a room which is quiet and do that. Okay, I can understand that all of you are doing classes from your home and you have siblings, you have other people around, so it's difficult for you to maintain silence, but try it as much as possible. Okay, fine. So come to the next question. Let me ask you a few questions from prepositions. Okay, about those chapters, like I think antonyms and synonyms is there, right? And understanding words better is also there, right? So for understanding words better and antonyms and synonyms, you will do only from the book. Okay, whatever words, whatever meanings, whatever synonyms and antonyms are given in the book, all the tables, all the charts which are there, all the information which you can gather from the book, take it. Okay, from book itself the question will come from those chapters. Other than that, other chapter, no, it will not be like that. Outside the book the question will come, but we have already discussed a lot of the types that you are getting. They are quite easy. Yes, you do the exercise, it will give you a lot of practice, but not always you will get the same question from the exercise. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 questions might be given. Synonyms and antonyms, do everything, not only exercise but also whatever is given in the book. Okay, from the tables. Yes, same type like the type that we are doing now. Okay, fill in the blanks or something like that, an MCQ pattern question. Okay, now one question from preposition. My grandfather watches the news. Understanding words better, you will do it from the book itself. Okay. My grandfather watches the news dash 9 p.m. every day. At, correct. You must This work should be completed dash tomorrow. This work should be completed dash tomorrow. The options are by, at, on, from. So it will be by. Very good. There is no point talking dash him. He won't listen. So the answer will be there is no point talking to him. He won't listen. Correct. Next question is, yes, what is the time dash your watch? What is the time dash your watch? The options are in, on, by, at. So it will be by your watch. We say what is the time by your watch. That is the way to talk. Okay. So students, today I am not going to proceed anymore. Tomorrow again we will continue with our revision. Do check whatever video is being uploaded for revision for your better performance. Bye students, and leave your name in the chat box for your attention.